You can see after I just inserted into the soil, there's already 53.60 wet here. Soil moisture data. It was 0 before this. After 0, it becomes 53.6, then 57, 57.3. Update the data every 30 seconds. So we can pass. This file can read its parameters normally. Then this file can be connected to MQTT. We put it all together. Parameters can be obtained. Then use this format. Send MQTT data to our Home Assistant. Then it can automatically identify us, this sensor, and add to the homepage dashboard, and automatically get this historical data for you. You just need to pass the MQ message. It's all Home Assistant features. You can use it. This video, here we go. First, test whether this paper can read water normally. Soil moisture can be seen to be normal. Then let's see if the connection to MQTT is normal. Noisy. Let's reboot it. Connect again. Now the connection is successful. We turn off. Restart. At this point, we need to create a file. Let's put its data sent to this home system. And can put its data on the home page normally. Show like this Windows path, but not through the ESP home. It's through MQTT. We create a file with AI. Its name is Learn MQTT. Combine this reading with MQTT. We copy the code, but it needs to be changed here. Because I created a username and password, same. Let go of this username and this ID. Put it in this file, in the config. So it can connect, and then this is the format in which it was published. MQTT. After sending, we can test it in our device. Let's try it this time. Okay, a data has been sent here. After sending the data, we can enter through the MQTT point. There is an entity here. This has been identified. Is that so? We can add this sensor on the home page. Due to this previous MQTT, we found this device. So I'm trying it on the home page now. See if you can find this thing. Add one. Like this one. Let's find it. This data. Now it's because there is no soil inserted, no water inserted, but there is indeed this thing displayed here. We click Save. Click Save. So the data is here, then power on later. Insert it into soil and water. Let's see if this data has changed. Let's change the name. Click Save. Remember, if you want it to work on its own, we need to put this code, put it in this device. It is now being implemented. We turn off. Save this file to this device. Can be put in the boot, but it is recommended to put it in the mining.py boot for other things. We save, so it will execute this code when powered on. Then I'll try to power it up again.